Hello YouTube, this is Steven, and in this quick video I'll be unboxing the new slide set that I just received for my G18c. Originally I was just going to get the top slide made by 9ball, but that was a bit expensive, and this is better value for money because it comes with the outer barrel, the slide, the sight, and also actually the internals. So yeah, let's get to unboxing it. Okay, so here we go. Nicely packaged with foam, and yeah, I got it in the silver. So start off here. This is the bottom housing. This is made specifically for the WE one. So start with the outer barrel here. Looks very nice. Says wet. WET. Feels really nice as well. Yeah. Yeah, that's it. Here's the slide. It's some matte finish. Feels pretty heavy, feels pretty hefty, feels nice. But here's the sights on it that I'm not really a fan of. Not really a fan of the shape. I mean, it kind of looks weird. Yeah, I'm sure the sight is good, but I'm just not a fan of the shape. So instead, I'll be switching it back to the stock sights over here. But this looks really nice. Really nice, and for the whole set here, it costs the same amount as that 9ball slide that I wanted to get. Comes with a nozzle as well, and the blowback unit is all here. You have the switch, but yeah, that's pretty cool. So what I'm going to do now, so I'm going to take the mag out, and I'm going to quickly switch it. So it has everything but the spring, which I'll be needing, and the hop up and inner barrel, and I just put this in there just like that. Fits perfectly, and this goes in here like that. Fits very snug, and then the spring back in. There we go. And that is literally it. Put this back onto the gun. Different shades of black. This one's a bit lighter, but it looks pretty cool. It also has a skeletonized cutout here, obviously at the top and on this side, but it doesn't have the little cutout at the back here. It has this really nice little wavy texture and design all around, so it's good for racking the slide. It's also very smooth actually. Not that smooth yet because it's brand new and just been applied, so there's a little bit of gritting. You can feel it, you can hear it, but obviously you want to put some rounds into it and then kind of wears out that paint a little bit that touches between the top slide and the bottom slide along here on both sides. It'll be much better, it'll be much smoother, but yeah, it does actually feel really good, even just holding it now like this. Obviously I'm going to change the sights, but yeah, that's it. It's very easy. It comes with everything. All you need is the inner barrel and the hop-up unit, which you already have, so that's really easy. And quick little upgrade here. Not really an upgrade, just for looks, but it looks really cool. Glad I got this. Not my favorite, not the best design. I would have preferred like a salient arm one, or maybe a agency arms, but those are really expensive, and this archive one is very affordable, so it's very budget friendly, and it's looks great as well. So that's it for this video. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you enjoyed unboxing. If you want to see more airsoft videos, airsoft content, drop a like and subscribe. I'm considering doing more of these in the future because I like airsoft and I'll get more into the sports and the hobby. So maybe I'll do more upgrades on this gun, or maybe I'll get another gun, I'll do a review on another gun. But yeah, that's it for now. Thank you guys for watching. Bye bye.